Hello, we are students from the Quarry Lane School in the San Francisco Bay Area who study computer science, robotics, and engineering. We have won many awards for our robot design, ideas, and teamwork, and we want to share our knowledge with you. Learning robotics teaches us how to work with others to solve problems by building our own robots.
Robots make life easier. They're robots that can cook, clean, play, carry hospital patients, deliver packages, dance, fly, and take pictures from the air. There are many jobs in which people make and use robots like these.
Throughout this course, you will learn the basics of how to build and program your own robot with the LEGO Boost Kit. We will teach you how to do this step by step. You can make a robot that moves, makes cool noises, and does tricks.
A robot has to follow instructions so that it knows exactly what to do. We do this by programming, which you will also learn about in this course.
During these lessons, we will teach you all about robotics and STEAM, which stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. With the concept of STEAM, we will teach you not only how to build a robot, but also help you understand how and why the robot works.
One day, you can use these skills to change the world.